This is my review of the Harbor Freight 8-inch survival hunting knife. If you notice, the sheath is way too big, but it does snap well. The belt loop's just that, a belt loop. It's going to be for right-handed carry only. The blade length is right around 8.5 inches. The handle is right around 5. The overall length is about 13.5. The lanyard it comes with is quite strong. The top screws off, and inside is a button compass. I'm going to tell you right now, if you try to use this in the woods, you're going to get lost. Every time you turn it, north points in a different direction. I turn it, north moves. Turn it again, north is in a different direction. Inside you'll find a little packet. The packet contains buttons, thread, and a needle. It also has 6 matches, a piece of cardboard with fishing line wrapped around it, and a fishing hook. It also comes with a striker for the matches. Everything tucks away neatly in a little Ziploc type bag. The end can sometimes be difficult to screw back on. If you notice, it took me a couple tries to actually get to line up right, but it will go back on. The set screw was loose when I first got it, so I put Loctite in it and screwed it back in. It does have a serrated back spine for sawing. As you can see, it doesn't work too well, and trust me, I'm putting a lot of effort into it. Chopping, it does chop, but not that well. The lanyard can be wrapped around your hand or fingers for extra safety so the knife doesn't fly out of your hand. I gotta be honest, the handle's not very comfortable. It kind of digs into your hand as you're chopping. When I first got it, the edge was rounded. It's kind of like a kid's toy, but I had to get it ground down and sharpened to a nice point. As you can see, it does stab quite well, and the tip hasn't broke or bent. Let's go ahead and try the baton with it. Okay, this is just a piece of poplar. And I gotta be honest, it's starting to rot a little bit. As you can see, I'm beating on the knife pretty good, and I'm really not getting that much movement. I actually had it professionally sharpened and only used it a couple of times. It seemed like it's dull already. As you see, the bark's coming off and it's starting to rot. Let's go ahead and try a smaller piece and see what happens. As you can see, once again, the knife is taking pretty good beating, but I'm really not getting nowhere. And the handle's really jarring my hand, and it's really quite rough. You see there's going to be a lot of hot spots. Beating on the tip does take good beating also. It didn't bend or break. Did, however, get the knife stuck. I'm just trying to follow a little bit piece of the wood. The knife is basically completely dull. I'm really not getting much use out of it. Yeah, I can't even really chop or anything with it. Gotta be honest, for $8.99, probably just better off keeping your money. As always, thank you for watching.